Here we've got VIVO Y20s, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings. Here locate and open digital well-being and parental controls. And here just click on show your data. And as you can see right in front of you, you've got detailed info, but if you are interested in some further details, just click in the middle of the screen, and here you've got the detailed stats for each day and also for each app. So as you can see, for example, Cyber Hunter have been in use for almost an hour today, then settings for 42 minutes. And this is how you can check it. As for yesterday, settings been in use for 8 minutes only. And that would be all. This is how you can check total screen time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.